educators, welcome to the Student Alliance community. Today we're going to talk about certain features that most of you guys have seen in panels but never know what exactly it is. One of them is your PIP option. Now what is PIP? PIP is basically one method where you can see all the devices that are connected in the panel. So for example, this is your PC. In case you have something connected in your HDMI, you'll find it here. Same with your other HDMI, your VGA cable, your touch, your sound, everything in one place. Now imagine if you can see all your applications that are connected to the panel from a phone to laptop to a PC just at one place. That is exactly what PIP will do for you. Hope that solves your problem. Thank you so much.